This is the moment Ukrainian soldiers blitz a Russian military convoy to disrupt the invaders' deliveries of fuel and supplies. The move ensured vital items could not reach Russian forces and restricted their movements. It also allowed military vehicles to be targeted and military units to be weakened by Ukrainian forces. The command of the Special Operations Forces, SSO, of the Armed Forces of Ukraine said the attack was a means of stopping Russian forces in their tracks. He said, "This is how soldiers of the SSO of Ukraine are fighting to bring down the enemy. By cutting off the Russian occupiers from what is needed, we are weakening their units." The SSO added, effective ambushes to disrupt deliveries of supplies and fuel are one of the most important tasks. The Ukrainian SSO did not mention where or when the attack on Russian supply lines took place. The footage shows a military tanker hit by what appears to be a rocket before bursting into flames. Ukrainian reports claimed yesterday, the Russian forces had lost more than 18,000 soldiers and officers, including 7 generals, 644 tanks, 1,830 armored combat vehicles. They also said military hardware had been taken out, including 325 artillery systems, 105 MLR systems, 54 air defense units, 143 warplanes, 134 helicopters, 1,249 vehicles and 7 warships. Additional Russian forces targets included 76 fuel tank trucks, 89 operational and tactical level UAVs, 24 units of special equipment, and 4 mobile SRBM systems, it was claimed. Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered the invasion of Ukraine on 24 February in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation to demilitarize and denazify the European country. The United Nations International Court of Justice in The Hague, the Netherlands, has ordered Russia to stop its invasion and remove its troops from Ukrainian territory. Ukraine's President, Volodymyr Zelensky, has said his government is prepared to discuss adopting a neutral status as part of a peace deal with Russia. The Mirror told last week how Chernobyl is back under Ukraine control after Russia's forces formally give up the nuclear site. The Ukrainian state nuclear company said on Thursday most of the Russian forces that occupied the Chernobyl nuclear power station after invading Ukraine have left the defunct plant, and suggested radiation concerns had driven them away.